Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect ConvertKit to WordPress. First, you will need to install the official ConvertKit plugin on your WordPress site. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, find the Plugins section, and click Add New. Search for ConvertKit, then install and activate the plugin. This essential first step establishes the foundation for seamless integration between your website and email marketing platform. Next, you will integrate your ConvertKit API keys. Log into your ConvertKit account and locate your API key and API secret under your account settings. Back in WordPress, go to the ConvertKit plugin settings. Copy and paste these two unique keys into their respective fields. Saving these credentials securely connects your WordPress site to your ConvertKit account, allowing data to flow between them. Now, let's embed your ConvertKit forms and landing pages. Within the ConvertKit plugin settings, you can choose a default form to appear on all your posts and pages. For more specific placement, use the ConvertKit block editor or shortcodes to insert individual forms directly into your content. Always double-check that your forms are displaying correctly and are ready to capture new subscribers. Finally, explore advanced options and thoroughly test your setup. The plugin offers settings for custom fields and tags, helping you segment your audience more precisely. Crucially, submit a test entry through one of your embedded forms. Then, log into your ConvertKit account to confirm that the new subscriber data has been received correctly. This ensures your integration is fully operational and ready to grow your email list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.